Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the headlines. Measles and rubella vaccination drive launched in Mandi Bahauddin. Dr. Zahid reviews biolab performance in Toba Take Singh. Trump's plan for Gaza backed by UN Security Council. German Chancellor calls for EU to become a full-fledged European Defence Union. Let's look into details. According to our Bureau Chief Raja Muhammad Ayub of Desi TV USA, Additional Deputy Commissioner General Raja Haider Abbas inaugurated the National Measles and Rubella Prevention Campaign at the District Headquarters Hospital. CEO Health Dr. Kiran Arshad said the 13-day campaign from November 17 to 29 will vaccinate 243,382 children aged 6 months to 5 years. The Health Department has deployed 69 fixed teams, 65 supervisors, 212 skilled staff, 355 social mobilizers, 212 assistants and 143 outreach teams. Deputy Commissioner Dr. Faisal Salim urged parents to ensure timely vaccination to help make the district measles free. Dr. Zahid, Director Input Management Punjab, visited Biolab in Toba Take Singh to evaluate its operation and overall performance. He received a detailed briefing from Dr. Nosher Khan, Deputy Director Agriculture and Agriculture Officer Ms. Sadia, highlighting ongoing technical activities and initiatives. During the visit, Dr. Zahid personally contacted farmers for feedback on the lab services. He was also presented with a report on smoke control measures, noting Toba Take Singh as a top performing district in Punjab. Expressing satisfaction, Dr. Zahid praised the team's dedication, saying their work could serve as a model for other districts.
Now I am American. I have citizen.
I still have my Salvadorian passport and now I have my USA passport. I am a citizen of the US.
Khi cầm cái hộ chiếu Mỹ, con rất là tự hào mình là công dân Mỹ.
La ciudadanía para mí significa oportunidades.
Si ya tienen el tiempo que pueden hacerse ciudadanas, que lo hagan.
No pierde nada uno con intentarlo.
Como dicen en México, echándole ganas, todo se puede.
The UN Security Council has voted in favor of a U.S. drafted resolution that endorses U.S. President Donald Trump's 20-point plan for Gaza. Included in the plan is the establishment of an international stabilization force to which the U.S. says multiple unnamed countries have offered to contribute. The resolution was backed by 13 countries, including the UK, France, and Somalia, with none voting against the proposal. Russia and China abstained. Adopting it was an important step in the consolidation of the ceasefire. A spokesperson for UN Security General Antonio Guterres said Hamas has rejected the resolution, saying it fails to meet Palestinians' rights and demands. Amid growing international security challenges, the European Union must transform into a European Defence Union, said German Chancellor Friedrich Merz on Monday. Merz said Europeans must take new steps in response to the war in Ukraine, shifts in Euro-Atlantic relations, and China's increasingly aggressive posture. We can no longer rely on the US to defend us, on China to supply us with raw materials, or on Russia to eventually return to the path of peace. The world is changing and Europe must respond, Merz said. It's necessity to transform this European Union into a European Defence Union. We face international challenges that we as Europeans must address together with the ability to defend ourselves, he emphasized. Merz emphasized that Germany, as the European Union's strongest economy and most populous country, must take on greater responsibility for Europe. We bear a far greater responsibility than anyone else to assume leadership within this EU. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and don't forget to watch our channels DTV NN and Desi Urdu TV.
Now I am American. I have citizen.
I still have my Salvadorian passport and now I have my USA passport. I am a citizen of the US.
Khi cầm cái hộ chiếu Mỹ, con rất là tự hào mình là công dân Mỹ.
La ciudadanía para mí significa oportunidades.
Si ya tienen el tiempo que pueden hacerse ciudadanas, que lo hagan.
No pierde nada uno con intentarlo.
Como dicen en México, echándole ganas, todo se puede.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130 plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.